The sun, the moon, and the stars have always made humans curious. The LED to the numerous attempts to uncover the wonders of the world outside the Earth. This curiosity led to the discoveries of Galileo Galilei in the early 17th century, wherein by using the recently invented telescope, he was able to unveil a proof on the concept of a solar system. All the planets, including our Earth, revolved around a central star, the Sun. The Sun is the huge sphere of ionized gas and is responsible for supporting life on Earth. The circumference of the Sun is about 4,360 4,6,813 kilometers. The interaction and connection of the Sun and the Earth gave rise to the seasons, ocean current, weather, and climate.
So our lesson 1 and 2, visualizing, reading, writing whole numbers up to 100,000 and rounding them off to the nearest thousands and millions. Core ideas, number ways of representing numbers relationship among numbers and number systems are means of representing real world quantities. Okay. So if you want to see this, I've already uploaded it on your Google Classroom. So share what we know. So what is the circumference of the sun? Kanina. And this oh. Okay, highlight natin. I think this is an highlight. Alright. What is the circumference of the sun? Yes, Kyra?
4,366,813 kilometers.
Okay, very good. Now, how do you write? How is the circumference of the sun written in words? Sinong gusto magana? No? Pag mga written na, yun eh. Sino gusto magsulat? It's actually 4,366,813. So, very good. Kulang ka ng 300. Kulang ka ng 100 doon. 3,000 ka na agad eh. So, 300,066,813. Very good. Now, let's go. Visualizing, reading, and writing whole numbers up to 100,000. Earth, our home planet, is the only planet in our solar system where life is existing. Kaya nga, di ba, madami naghahanap, baka yung Mars, may mga alien doon, pwede tayong pumunta doon. Ayan, kaya may mga taong sinend doon para baka mag-start sila ng civilization sa Mars. But, only, for now, only Earth has the life where people are existing. Life that is incredibly diverse. Everything we need to survive is under a thin layer of atmosphere that separates us from the cold, airless void of space. Okay? The average distance from the Earth to the Sun is 149,597,890 kilometers. This distance is known as 1 astronomical unit and sets the scale for measuring distances all across the solar system. Using the average distance from the Earth to the Sun, which is 149,597,890 kilometers, in what place value is the digit 7? 7 daw. What do you think is the place value of your 7? Yes, Kyra?
Nanalo kayo ng ano, laki.
Very good. It is 1,000. Let's write it in here. Thousands. 1,000. Very good. How about what is the value of the digit 7? Value. We're talking about the value in here. Ibayin natin yung kulay. Red na lang. Kasi may favorite color ng red. Si Jury yata. Okay. What is the value of the digit 7? 7. When say value, yes, you can get your ballpen. This is why I told you, please come prepared. Okay, dapat within your study space, nandiyan na siya. Kuha lang yun. Para hindi ka na, Miss Jen, may get my drawing book. May get my ballpen. Ayan, nandiyan lang siya. Okay? What's the value of your digit 7? Say value. It's you said it's on the thousands. Ayan. Clue na ni Kyra is thousands. The value is, they're just numbers, but the numbers after them should be 0. So, if I have 7, how many numbers are after 7? They will become 0. So, what do you think is the value of your 7? Come on! Forgot this? Nag-summer na rin ang inyong OTAC. Sorry po, Miss Jen. Nag-summer na rin. What is the value of your digit 7? Yes, Kyra?
7,000.
Very good. It is 7,000. 7,000. Tama naman. Yung nga sinasabi ko, di ba? Yung mga kasunod niya is, ayan, 7,000. Good job. And now, in what place value is the digit 4? Kaylam, sige. What place value is the digit 4? Let's highlight it.
Million.
Okay, no. Yeah, it's in the period million, but right, this is the million. What's after million and what is after million? Right, I read this as 149,000 49 million. Okay, sige, Kyoni. It's in millions. Sige.
10 million.
Very good. It is 10 million. Ayan, ano lang si Jory, nakulangan ng 10. Okay, very good. It's 10 million. Now, sige, Jory, what is the value of your digit 4? Ayan, kung nasa million siya, ano kanyang itsura kapag value na? Okay, ibig sabihin, lahat ng kasunod niya will be
4
zero.
million.
Oops, you forgot this again. 40. 40.
40 million.
Okay, very good. It is 40 million. Baka maano yung internet nila. No? Rohan. Very good. So these are the place value and values of this astronomical unit. Now, let's build our understanding. The digits in the whole number system are grouped into what? Into what? Yes, sige. Kyra, sige.
Period.
Periods. Very good. So the millions, thousands, and units are called periods. Each period is made up of 3 digits, ones, tens, and hundreds. Each digit in a whole number has a place value and a value. So have this. Remember this, our place value chart. So we have the millions period, the thousands period, and the units period. Each period has ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, and ones, tens, hundreds. So we have on the units period, we start on the right side. Ones, tens, hundreds. On the thousands periods, we call the ones as thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay, this is just a review because you already discussed this. Millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. So, nakita niyan. So, these are their place values. Yung 4 at yung kanina yung 7. So, we got it all correct. Now, let's look back. Identify the place value and the value of the underlined digit in each number below. So, we have number 1. Sige, I'll let you write on the, no? So, number 1, I'll give to Kyra. Number 2, Caleb. Number 3, Keone. Sino pang gusto ng 4 and 5? Sino pang gustong sumagot? Okay, 4, Keone. 5, sige, Kyra. Sige. So, just send it to me. That will also be part of your recitation. What is the place value of your 2?
Ones.
Ones. What's the value of your 2?
2.
Very good. O, ganun lang eh. Nagkakahirap-hirap pa tayo dito, Zuri. Alright, good job. Next. In 149,597,890, find out the difference between place value and value. So, the numeral is read as, yes, as I've said, 149. So, in 49, we don't write in 4, it's F-O-U-R. But in 40, we don't use the U. So, it's just F-O-R-T-Y. 49, yes, you use the dash. So, ang pinakatama talaga kanina is Kyra because she used the dash. 1,597,000. This means magkadikit sila. And 890. So, what do you mean by this? So, the digits are this. Okay, the place value are this and their value are this. Okay, on the ones is just 0 kasi nga 0 lang yung ones niya. So, how many ones are there in 149,597,890? Ilan ang ones niya? It's just 1. Kasi nga yan, 1 how many ones are there? Ano to? Anong number to? Anong digit to? How many ones are there? 0. How about your hirap. Hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 8. Okay, 8. Very good. How about, may pointer ba ako dito? Wala akong pointer dito. How about your thousands? How many thousands are there? Sige, Caleb.
7.
Very good. How about your 100,000s? How many 100,000s are there? Sige, Keone.
5.
5. Very good. How about your millions? How many millions are there? Yes. Sige, Kyra muna. Kyra.
9.
Okay. How about your 10 millions? Sige, Caleb.
4.
4. And then your 100 millions. Yes. Keone, sige.
1.
Okay. 100 millions is 1. Very good. So the numeral in expanded form it can be written in expanded form as the sum of values of each digit. So expanded form is just writing them all in a value. So ilalagay mo lang lahat ng value, pag-compile mo lang silang lahat at lalagyan mo ng plus. Ayan. So pinaghiwa-hiwalay mo at lalagyan mo ng 0. So this is what do you call this? Expanded form. So when I tell you to write them in an expanded form, you have to write them in their value, and then all of them in their value, and then just add plus. Okay? You get it? Value and just add plus. Now, as the sum of the products of those digits is the same. Okay? So, kapag kunyari, pinag-add nyo lang lahat sila, ang makukuha nyo pa rin is this. Okay? Get that? That is the expanded form. Since 100,000 can be expressed as the product of 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 8. We can also expand the number as the sum of the products of the digit times the place value in exponential form. So, in this case, we just write the digit 1. Okay, exponential form naman tayo. 1 times 10, and then bibilangin nyo lang yung numbers after ng 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, yung background mo, Jury, ka malalaglag. Okay, so, this will be your exponent. It will become 1 times 10 raised to the 8th power. That is, yung ganyan siya binabasa. 1 times 10 raised to the 8th power. Gets nyo? Gets na ba to? Gets nyo ba yung exponential? Gets nyo na yung expanded, di ba? Ginawa nyo lang value. Okay, sabihin nyo kapag gets nyo ha. Ulitin ko pag hindi. Okay. Pag exponential naman, nililagay nyo yung digit and then times 10 raised to the 7. So, nakikita nyo dito, pababa lang siya ng pababa. So, ilalagay nyo lang yung mga digit niya times 10, tapos pababa ng pababa ang kanyang mga exponents. So, this is your exponent. Okay? Question is? Okay. So, I'll be asking you to advance read for page 6 and page 6. So, this is page 6, page 7. So that by next week, we'll have a recitation about this. Question? Wala. No question? Sige. Your assignments will just start by next week. Pag nataas natin yung lesson na to. Wala na? Wala nang tanong? Grade 5? Mamaya, pag next week, tapos hindi nyo na naman maalala yung lesson natin, ha? Punch. One Punch Man. Oh, sige. You may go to your next class and I'll see you on Tuesday. Bye!
Bye po.
Bye pa.
Good
Wala na pa
day.
next class.
Wala na kayong next class? Last nyo na to?
Yes
Oh,
po.
ayos ah. Tulog na nyo, no? Tulog na. Oh, sige. Sige, you may go. Bye!
Miss Jen.
Bye, Miss Jen.
Bye, Mister.